What noise are we making today, Eric? Okay. Do you want to repeat that? Okay. What sort of noise are you making today? Hey? Okay. Eric, what noise are we making today? What noise are we making? Pardon? What are we saying today? Hey? Eric, what noise are we making today? Really? Do you want to say it again? What noise are we making? Okay. What are we saying today? Hey? Is that what we're saying today? Okay. What noises are we making, Eric? Okay. Eric, what noises are we making today? Oh, lots of them. Okay. Pardon? That's what you said. What are we saying today? Eric? What are we saying exactly? Nothing? Oh, okay. I knew it had to be something. It's not very often you say nothing. No. Yeah, that's very, very sweet of you. It's very sweet of you to say that. Okay. Okay. What are we saying today, Eric? Eric? Oh. Is that what we're saying today? Okay. Thanks.